Hello, my name is Romeo Abacan and I am applying for the TIG welder position. I have over 20 years of experience in TIG, GTAW, and ISMA welding with a strong background in fabrication piping and gas line. Welding for high pressure pipes. I work on major oil and gas refinery and power plant project in countries such as Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar, Egypt, South Korea, Taiwan, Nigeria, Papua New Guinea, and the Philippines. I'm proud to specialize in 100% X-ray quality welds, especially for carbon steel, stainless steel, alloy steel pipes. I can read blueprints, follow welding codes, and operate tools like TIG torch and grinders. I always make sure to work safely, follow standards, and deliver high quality result on time. I work well with multinational teams, follow instruction carefully, and always focus doing the job right the first time. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the opportunity to contribute to your team. Thank you.
Yalo, sige, laban. Tinalo pa niya nga galing Alaska, oh. Hindi lang luhod, di kakapa, split with welding job. Oh, yeah. Oh, hello. Ala, hindi lang kuha, video pa. Ayan o, hindi lang kuha, video pa. Aba, siya. Oh. Sabay magbubukas ka ng maskara. Sabi ko, walang kupas. Kalabaw lang ang tumatanda. Yung kamay ba, tinan mo naman yung ano ba, yung wave ba, oh, parang 12 anyos yung may hawak ng ano ng TikTok ay, oh, ako si papasok ko sa iyo, oh, tingin mo na sa camera. Nakakita yung kung sinong tumirang yon, sinasabi ko.